Hello, Natasha here with a quick and easy project using a HipKit Club January kits. Thank you for joining me. I love add-on cardstock kits from HipKit Club. Great quality of paper, gorgeous colors that match the kits perfectly. So today I'll be making mini cards. I took one piece of 12 by 12 cardstock and I cut it into 8 3 by 6 pieces. I score each piece at 3 inches and this gives me 8 3 by 3 cards. I have a lot of scraps of paper from some of my previous projects. So this is paper from January main kit, HipKit Club main kit. So I trim it. You can trim it at 2 inches, so 2 by 2. This will give you a broad border around your pattern paper, or you can trim it at 2.5 and 2.5. So this way you'll have a narrow border, which also looks great. I also have some strips of paper which I cut into 3-inch pieces, and you can place them horizontally or vertically on your card. So now I adhere trimmed patterned paper, and it's time to embellish my mini cards. There is a lot of the January kits. Well, as always with HipKit Club, they're jam-packed with a lot of ephemera stickers and whatnot. So you have tassel bows, glitter dots, puffy accents and stickers. So just so many stuff to decorate. As you see, I hoard my embellishments. I struggle with using them. They're so pretty. So I'm not proud of that. So I need to use them more, of course. So now you just go to town and decorate the cards with all these great, stickers and everything. For example, these layered hearts from Everyday Musings collections from Pink Fresh Studio. I just choose the color which seems to work best with one of the cards. I adhere it and the card is ready. You can use alphas and you can write a name on your card or maybe some sentiment. Now I'm using a glue dot to adhere a tassel bow on one of the cards. Yeah, so many ways to decorate them. Now for my last card I want to use this gorgeous golden flower from the ephemera pack, also from Everyday Musings collection from Pink Fresh Studio. It sort of gets lost on the patterned paper, against the patterned paper, so I just adhere one more piece of patterned paper to help it pop. Okay, so here are the quick little cards I made with HipKit Club January kits. They were super easy to make. They're perfect for using up your scraps. And how I use these cards, for example, I punch a hole, and this will make a nice like a tag for your gift to attach to a gift, and you can write some message inside and attach it to your gift, or you can give it as a set of small cards to someone who would appreciate this. Or, well, I will be using this in a way that my daughter will write some invitation in there for her friends to come to her the weekend to watch some movies, to play some games. So, and this will be a nice way to invite them. And yeah, so they're super easy to make and a great way to use your stash and to use maybe some leftovers that otherwise would be, lying around. I hope you like this idea, and thank you for your time. And have a great day and find time for something that makes you happy. Bye.